Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send an image as an attachment in an email in Gmail. So all you have to do is open up your Gmail and go ahead and click in Compose to start a new email. Enter the email address in the to field. Add the subject of whatever it is. So I'm going to just say picture, for example. And in the body, I'm going to just say, please see the attach image, for example, right? And to add the image as an attachment, instead of clicking an image right here to insert image, just simply click the attach files and find the image that you want. So let's say it's this thumbnail right here. I click on it and then I click and open, and you're going to see that it's attached the image as an attachment. If I use insert photo, it's going to embed it within the email, and it is not clean, right? So if you want to add it, if you want to keep your email clean, it's always best to attach those images as an attachment and have the person who you send it to refer. You want to refer to the attachment so that they check it as well. And that's pretty much it, guys.